Hello my dear students, this is our question 5th of exercise 12.3. The temperature dropped 15 degrees Celsius in the last 30 days. If the rate of temperature drop remains the same, how many degrees will the temperature drop in the next 10 days? Okay, so in 15 days it dropped, in 13 days it dropped by 15 degree. We have to find regarding next 10 days. But what is given? This ratio is rate is remain same. So here what we have to do, students, we are going to follow unitary method. Here days are there, we have to find regarding days. So first we have to find regarding 1 day. Understood? Our question is in 10 days how many? So we have to first find in a 1 day how many. So please try to do by yourself. In a 13 days it dropped by the 15 degree. In a 1 day how many? Okay. After getting your answer of 1 day, you have to multiply it with 10. Understood, students? So maybe your answer is, maybe not sure, your answer is 5 degree. How? Because 13 days is a 15. It means half of 30. For 15 days it's a 0.5 degree. Okay. Then 0.5 you have to multiply with the 10. 1 decimal point multiply with 10. Point will move here. So it is a full 5 degree. Is that clear, students? So sometimes you can use your logic to find this type of answer. Okay, whenever you do the calculation, maybe you made the mistake, so you can easily identify like this way. Is that clear? Because over here 30, here 15. 15 is half of 30, so here answer is half of 1. Half of 1 is half only. Half means 0.5. Yes? Okay. Same way, students, whatever we follow over here, write nicely in your notebook question 5. Now see the question 6. Saina pays rupees 15,000 as a rent for 3 months. 3 months total rent is rupees 15,000. How much does she pay for a whole year? If the rent per month is remains same. These also please try by yourself. Okay, how you have to do? Saina pays 15,000 for 3 months. We have to find whole year. Whole year means 12 months. Okay, we have to find regarding the months. It means first we have to find regarding 1 month, because we are following unitary method. So here you have to say 3 months is equal to rupees 15,000. So for 1 month how many? Your answer will be 5,000, because 3 5s are 15. Then after we have to find regarding whole year. Whole year it means 12 months. 5,000 multiplied by 12. So is 60,000. Clear, students? But don't write like me. You have to write nicely. Just I am giving you hint over here how you have to solve the question. Clear? Now question number 7. Cost of 4 dozen banana is rupees 180. Okay. How many bananas can be purchased for rupees 90? See over here, students, very easy. First you have to orally think. Okay. 4 dozen in 180. We have to find regarding 90. 90 is half of 180. So here are bananas also half. It means 2 dozen. With 90 rupees we can purchase the 2 dozen banana. 2 dozen banana, it means in a 1 dozen 12. So 24 bananas we can purchase. Now when I solve the sum, if my answer is vary with the 24, it is a maybe 23, 25, 20, 12, whatever, then easily you can identify your mistake. Here 180, here 90, 90 is a half of 180, so my answer must be 24. Why it's wrong? You have to do again calculation. Clear? So now you are big, try to use this type of logic. Now in this question what you have to do? Cost of 4 dozen banana is given. Okay, and we have to find regarding the 90 rupee. So first we have to find regarding the 1 rupee. So rupee 180, then 4 dozen banana. Then 4 dozen banana. Don't convert into banana per piece, okay, because it's easy for you to calculate like this way. And then rupees 1, how many banana? Put the question mark. Okay, 1 multiply by 4 divide by 180. Okay, and if you want to do like this way, you can do like this way also. For 180 rupees, we can purchase 4 dozen. It means 4 multiply by 12, 48 bananas. We have to find regarding the 1 rupee. In a 1 rupee, how many bananas? Okay, same. 180 students, 1 multiply by 48 divide by 180. Here you will get answer is per piece banana, how many piece, and here you can get the answer per dozen. Okay, whatever answer you will get, just you have to multiply with the rupees 90 multiply your answer. Whatever you get answer over here, same you have to multiply with rupees 90. Is that clear, students? So please, if you want to do this, you can do this. If you want to do this, you can do this. If you want to try with both the way. Okay, check, answers are same. So you can try both the methods. So here you have to write answer by yourself. Here also you have to write your answer by self. Understood? Please students, make it practice, otherwise you are not able to learn properly. So over here question 7. Okay, so 5, 6 and 7 students, already I gave you hint. So please try to do by yourself. Thank you.